alphabet sound song.
Sounds in every word I read. Can you teach them to me at double lightning speed? Sounds in every word I read. Can you teach them to me at double lightning speed?
A says I, B says B, C says K, also says C, H says Ch, D says D, E says E, and F says
Sounds in every word I spell. I will get to know them so I can do it well. Sounds in every word I spell. I will get to know them so I can do it well.
G says G, G can say Ch, H says H, I says I, J says Ch, K says K, C K says K. Sounds in every word I write.
Sounds in every word I write. I don't wanna fight to have to get it right.
L says M says N says K, N says O says O, P says P, and PH says Sounds in every word I say.
Sounds in every word I say. Knowing all my sounds helps me each and every day.
U says Qu, R says S says S, H says Sh, T says T, H says Ts, and U says O. Sounds in every English word.
Sounds in every English word. Learning all my sounds means that English can be heard.
V says V, W says W, WH says W, X says X, Y says Y, and Z says S. Sounds in every word I read. I'm gonna learn them at double lightning speed.
Double lightning speed.
Sounds in every word I read. I'm gonna learn them at double lightning speed.
Double lightning speed.
Hi, I'm Liz Danoon. I wrote this song and created this amazing video to teach the sounds of the English language. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel, The 10 Minute Tutor. If you want to learn how to read and spell, I have created a free online reading and spelling program called The 10 Minute Tutor, which you can start using today. Normally, it is a paid program, but for a short time only, you can access it for free on YouTube. You will also get downloadable worksheets to make it even easier. If you can speak the English language, I can teach you how to read and spell it. To get started, look for the link to the first video in the description below.
Sounds in